Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a critical topic that every system administrator, network engineer, and IT executive should be familiar with: how to back up and restore the DHCP database on Windows Server 2025. As networks grow and evolve, maintaining a stable and reliable DHCP infrastructure becomes non-negotiable. A corrupted DHCP database or unexpected failure can bring your network to a standstill, cutting off IP allocations, disabling connectivity, and affecting hundreds or even thousands of endpoints. That's why understanding how to properly back up your DHCP database, and more importantly, how to restore it when needed, is an essential part of server administration. Let's begin the step-by-step process of backing up and restoring the DHCP server. First, it's important to understand the default DHCP backup behavior. Windows Server 2025 automatically backs up the DHCP server database at regular intervals to a specific path on Windows Server. The path is shown on the screen. This is a static location that does not change. This location contains the core components of the DHCP database and the jet log files. Knowing this location is essential in case of an emergency. Next, I'll perform a manual backup of the DHCP database. Open Server Manager and navigate to Tools, and then click DHCP to open the DHCP main console. From the console on the left side, you will find the name of the DHCP server, and by expanding the server, you will see some of the settings that you previously made on the server. I will now start the backup process. Right-click on the name of the DHCP server, and from the menu, click Backup. Then save the backup to the location or path you want. Create a new folder and give it a name appropriate for this task. Always give folders a descriptive name for easy access at any time. Then click OK button. Wait a few seconds for the backup to be saved. Then verify that the backup was saved successfully. Open the path or folder where the backup was saved. You'll find that it has indeed been saved in the folder we just created. After successfully completing the first step, I'll now restore the DHCP server. However, before doing so, I'll intentionally delete some DHCP settings, such as leases or ranges, to test the restore process. Now, to start the restore process, right-click on the DHCP server name, and from the menu, click on Restore. Then select the folder where you made the backup, click OK, and wait a few seconds for the restore process to complete. Unfortunately, the restore process was unsuccessful. An error message appeared, and the database was not restored. This is probably because the site does not have a valid backup. This is a common issue when trying to restore from a folder that does not contain the root structure expected by DHCP. The solution to this error is very simple. Copy the backup folder you created and paste its contents into the default Windows Server backup folder. Paste it into the path shown on the screen, which is the path you opened at the beginning of the video. After pasting the folder into the default path of the DHCP server backup, open the main DHCP console again. This time perform the restore again, but select the main folder this time, and click the OK button. When prompted, confirm the action and wait a few seconds for the restore process to complete. The DHCP service will pause and then restart after the restore is complete. You will then receive a message stating that the restore process was successful. Now verify the restore was successful. After restarting the DHCP service, ensure that all domains, reservations, leases, and options have been fully restored. That's all in today's video. We've successfully explained how to back up and restore the DHCP database in Windows Server 2025. Including how to handle common restore errors. This is a critical process, and backups should always be part of your server maintenance routine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.